Hello and welcome to today's lesson on exotic cigar rolls. Let's get started. We're using some bell peppers, carrots, mushrooms, onions, garlic, some cheese, some refined flour and some corn flour. So first we will prepare the stuffing. So in a medium pan, heat some oil and start with adding garlic. Sauté the garlic until they turn brown. Then add the onions, sauté them too. And then add in some mushrooms. Mushroom will release its water, so make sure you cook them and dehydrate them. Cigar roll is a different version of the popular dish known as the spring rolls. So we will add the vegetables, that is bell peppers and carrots, only when the mushrooms are completely dried. Then set the seasoning with some salt and black pepper. Cook this mixture until it is completely dry. Then add some processed cheese on the top. Mix it well with the mixture. And once it is done, set this mixture aside and let it cool. Now for the cigar sheets, mix both the doughs together. Add some salt. And mix this mixture together. The salt and both the flours should blend well. And then add some water and set the consistency. It should not be very runny. It should be smooth and little watery, but not very too much liquid is not preferred. Whisk it well, and this is how the consistency should be. Then again, take the medium pan and coat some oil just like this using a cloth, and delicately cook the sheets just like this. We are not using egg, otherwise even egg is used in this mixture. So this is an eggless recipe. Make sure the heat of the pan is accurate, otherwise the cigar sheet will start burning. Gently take it off the pan, put it on a plate and dust it with some flour. Then prepare the cigar wraps. Cut the sheets into 4 equal parts. Make sure you dust your working table so that the sheets do not stick. And then add the mixture. You will need some flour and water mixture to wrap it up. And then roll the wraps just like this. You can prepare them in different shapes and sizes. And now we will deep fry the cigar sheets. Make sure all the cigar wraps are evenly fried. They all should be fried until they get the same golden brown color. And this is how we prepare our cigar rolls. Serve it with some mint sauce and some salad, and you are good to go. I hope you like it.